It's a beautiful sunny February day here in Myrtle Beach, and today we're going to look at 1214 Peterson Street in Market Common. This is in Sweetgrass Square. I'm doing an open house here today. Figure I'd open it up and let y'all take a look at it as well. A beautiful Charleston style home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Has a first floor master. Beautiful streetscape here. The shops and restaurants in Market Common are just about 3 blocks away. It's an easy golf cart, bicycle ride, or even walk to the beach. It's got a little side courtyard here that leads out to the backyard. The Homeowners Association maintains the front. Got a nice covered front porch here, ceiling fans. Let's go inside and take a look. And this is beautiful. I mean, nice hardwood plank floors, 12-foot ceilings, crown molding, ceiling fans. Just a really nice living area here. Lots of windows, lots of natural light. Big pantry, plantation shutters. Nice kitchen. This is a natural gas community, so there's a gas stove. It's a dining area. There's a half bath here, and this house has a lot of pocket doors, which I like. You don't see this a lot in this area, but kind of a neat touch, saves a lot of space. There's me. Hi. You've got a huge first floor master bedroom here, high ceilings, tray ceilings, plantation shutters. Also a very large walk-in closet. Really big, nice room here. Again, pocket door that leads into the master bath. You've got his and her sinks, comfort height. You've got a huge tile shower. Granite countertops. Again, another pocket door that leads into the water closet. It's hard to tell in these videos, but these ceilings are enormous. It just gives the house a really nice feel. If you lived up north, you'd freeze to death with ceilings like this, but down here in South Carolina, they're real popular. Just a beautiful home. Nice kitchen, nice bar area. Again, a pocket door leads into a laundry room. You've got a coat closet here, although you won't need your coats that often down here. You have a nice big double car garage. Again, high ceilings, gas hot water heater. You've got a nice big driveway here with plenty of parking. Got a nice backyard, and you can fence this backyard off if you want, kind of like the neighbors have done on the different houses back here. The Culinary Institute's right there. There's a farmer's market every Thursday. Hello. Again, I mentioned gas stove, huge pantry. I like the slate appliances. Just really pretty living area down here. I love the plantation shutters. Stairs here, you've got a nice little landing. Again, lots of windows. And there are 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath in between up here. Got 1 bedroom here, looking out towards the front of the house. Again, high ceiling fan. Nice bathroom, again, double sinks here. There's me again, hi. full bath here. And then bedroom number 2, looking out towards the back. This one also has a nice big walk-in closet. So this is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house in Sweetgrass Square, double car garage, natural gas. It's close to everything. You can walk to the shops and restaurants. The beach is right down the street. Great neighborhood. It is only $369,900. It just came on the market. This is my first open house here. Please give me a call if you have any questions. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information is right here down below in the YouTube comment section. Give me a call for information on this and other great homes in Myrtle Beach.